See, when the pandemic happened, I realized one important thing. I actually was doing well, alhamdulillah, we were making some good money, but I did realize something because when the pandemic happened, actually my profits went from 100% down to probably 5%. I was probably making 5% of what I was making before. And so I realized and understood and learned something very important that I want to share with you guys, and that's how you need to have more than one income stream. Many of you guys will already know, but my recruitment company, I own a recruitment company, and that is probably the majority of my income. Really and truly, that's where I make my money. And actually last year, 85% of my income came from my recruitment company. It's something that I've been running for over 3 years now. Alhamdulillah, it does well. And yes, now we're in a much better situation than obviously after pandemic. Things have calmed down. We're doing all right, alhamdulillah. But that understanding of actually your one income could take a big hit and you need to have other incomes was an understanding and a learning point for me to actually share with you. And let's be honest, in the books and everywhere else, they always say you need to have more than one income stream. So my recruitment company being my biggest income stream, actually on number 2 at 10% was courses. I have my own courses where I obviously teach people how to do sales, and I now more recently, probably actually right at the end of December, taught people how to start a recruitment company. The course is obviously down in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want. But that was 10% of the income in 2021. A lot of it coming from the sales course, which started in August in 2021. Now at number 3, we're looking at YouTube. YouTube income comes from the AdSense. That was 1% of the income in 2021. Obviously now I don't make too much money from YouTube as such. A lot of it is about how to make money, how to get into business, and explaining to you guys exactly how you can grow, leave your jobs, and eventually do something for yourselves. So though YouTube is an income, it's not massive. It's only 1% of my income and was in 2021. Now I know some of you guys are gonna be like, 1%? I mean, why are you even telling me? Look, I have to be honest. It doesn't necessarily mean just because you have 8 income streams, you now have to make 10, 15% on all your income streams. Actually, to be fair, it's a growing procedure. And to be fair, if, for example, now my recruitment company does great and amazing, alhamdulillah, it's very difficult to then get your YouTube or anything else or the other income streams I'm going to talk to you about, get them up to like 5, 6, 7%. Though, having backups, having other income streams that aren't as reliant on the main income stream, of course, it's probably the best way to go. So I'm hoping you guys can use this as a motivational route to, okay, you need to have your main income stream. How can you have 4, 5, 6, 7 other income streams, and maybe come up with ideas on the ways I did it and possibly how you could do it too. So at second place, I would say this is probably not as much earned because technically speaking, it's more investments. But shares, I would say, was again 1% of the income in 2021. Shares, again, is something that I do. I invest in. I have asked people of knowledge. Make sure you ask people of knowledge. This isn't a place where I'm saying they are permissible or not permissible. I have checked it. I'm satisfied with the answer I got. But 1% of my income in 2021 was coming from shares and stock. I didn't actually invest in them at that much, and I probably will maybe come 2022. Another 1% comes from business consultation calls, mentoring calls. That's something that I do very, very rarely, very scarcely. It's not something I actually talk about often. It's simply because I generally don't have enough time for it. So it's a very rare occasion, a very, odd time. I will sometimes do business consultations and mentoring calls. That again was 1% of my income in 2021. Again, look, I don't want to now start saying it's something I'm going to do. I'm going to continue doing it because honestly, it does take up time. It takes a lot of planning. It takes a lot of aftercare. Even if it's a 1-hour call, sometimes you need to plan around for like 3-4 hours. If it's a 12, but 1% of the income in 2021 was coming from mentoring and business consultation calls. Now the numbers are getting a little reduced now. 0.5% of the income came from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically, again, I don't do it a lot. I've done it with 1-2 companies, but also I have links in the description where if, for example, on a YouTube video, you guys see something in the description, you click on it, you like it, you buy it. And that basically gives a very little cut, by the way. It's not massive, it's not a lot, but 0.5%, maybe even a little bit less, but we're gonna round up to 0.5%, came from affiliate marketing. Again, these aren't massive numbers, but it shows how you can start making more money from other ways. And affiliate marketing is something you can make a lot of money from, and many people do. And other people don't even have social media platforms and they still do affiliate marketing and make a very good amount. But 0.5% of the income in 2021 came from affiliate marketing. TikTok made me 0.5% of my income in 2021. TikTok, by the way, does not pay a lot. And I honestly have not been uploading a lot on TikTok. I initially used to. I haven't been doing. It's a crazy area. Inshallah, I'm going to try uploading more on 2022. I think it's a platform that needs khair. I think that good needs to be shared. You just need to share it and leave the thing because it's a madness. But 0.5% TikTok does pay you. It's not a lot. 0.5% of the income in 2021 came from TikTok. Now we're going on to the last two incomes, and again a reminder, it's not about making tons and tons of money, but I will say one thing. If I can get, let's say if we can get 300 likes on this video, I'll do a video of exactly how much each income made in 2021, which hopefully, inshallah, you guys can benefit from, motivate you, and inshallah, you can, it pushes you for 2022. But the last two were Skillshare, 0.5%. It was a little bit less than 0.5%. We round up because I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. And another 0.5% came from, in essence, promos. Those was the roundup of the 100% of the incomes, 8 incomes, how I went from 1 income to 8 incomes in 1 year, basically. So I hope that gives you guys an idea. It shows that actually you can create other incomes. Now, it's not to say these percentages obviously vary in 2022, 23, 24, and 5. The idea being is you want to increase slowly, and once they become more and more passive, obviously you can add to your income streams as well. Inshallah, you guys use it as a motivation for yourselves. Remember to say Allahumma barik. I appreciate your da'as. Keep me in them. And I will continue uploading good content for you guys to benefit from and give you more and more ideas in growing as a person. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.